Good afternoon, children. Welcome to today's class. Let us start with a new topic. Before moving on to the new topic, let us revise what we have learned already in your previous class. We have learned about HCF, that is highest common factor, isn't it? Now we will move on to the next topic, that is LCM. Yes, here it is least common multiple or the lowest common multiple. In HCF, we learned about highest common factor. Here we have multiple. Yes, LCM means lowest common multiple. Yes, let us learn how to find LCM of two or more numbers. Yes, LCM of two or more given numbers is the lowest of their common multiple. Let us find out how to find out. Let me see. Suppose, look at this example. Find the LCM of 2 and 8. Yes, let us start with smaller numbers, 2 and 8. As you all know, let us factorize as we have done in the HCF. Yes, which is the number which is divisible by 2 also by 8. Yes, 2 let us start with. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are is 8. Yes, if you have to know what is the HCF of this, you already learned that is 2 is the HCF. If you want to know the LCM, you can stop here and multiply all these numbers, or you can go further. Further in the sense, you have 1 and 4 here. 4, it is divisible by 2, is it or not? So 1 and here we get again 2. Again 2 is divisible by 2, so 1 and 1. You can continue till you get 1 in the last row. So now you can multiply all these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Yes, if you had stopped there, if you had stopped here, yes, now also you can find the LCM. Here you can multiply all these numbers, that is 2 into 1 into 4, that is 2 into 1 into 4, that is also 8. So LCM is 8 of, LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Okay, is it clear? Let us see one more example. Example 12 and 15. Let us find out LCM of 12 and 15. We will use the factorization method. Yes. Which is the number which is divisible by 12 also by 15? So we can use 3. 3 4s is 12 and 3 5s is 15. Now, do you get 4 and 5 in any table? No. Either you can stop here and multiply all these numbers so that you will get the LCM. That is, LCM is 3 into 4 into 5. Can you tell? 3 4s are 12, 12 5s is 60. So LCM is 60 here. Or, if you are finding it difficult, you can continue again. There is no common factor which divides 4 and 5. So, we can use 4 directly. 4 ones are 4 and 5 here. Again we can use 5 here. 1 as it is and 5 ones are 5. So, now you see 3 into 4 into 5 is 60. Yes. Let us move on to the next example. if you are thorough with HCF, LCM is not a problem. It's very easy for you. Now, look here, we'll move on to the next example. 24 and 40, you think. Yes? Let us factorize. When you factorize, first you start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. Yes? Can we divide 24 and 40 by 2? Yes, we can. So, 2, 1 is 2, 2 is 4. Now here, 2 is 4 and 0 as it is. That means 2 12 is 24, 2 20 is 40. Now where do you find 12 and 20 in the same table? Of course, it is in 2 table. 2 6 is 12 and 2 10 is 20. Is it or not? Now where do you find 6 and 10? Again the same number, we use 2. 2 3 is 6 and 2 5 is 10. Now, do you get 3 and 5 in the same table? No. So, we can stop here and find the LCM. That is 2 into 2 into 2. When we are doing HCF, we multiply only the numbers here. But when we are finding out the LCM, we multiply all the numbers. Right from here to here. That is into 3 into 5. Let us multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 and 24 5s are. How much is 24 5s are? If you don't know, multiply and see. 5 4s are 20, 0 to carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. So, it is 120. LCM of 24 and 40 is 120. I'll tell you again, LCM is nothing but lowest common multiple. If you have to find the lowest common multiple, that is LCM, you will have to factorize the numbers. Yes? And you will multiply all the numbers right from here to here. That is the way you find out the LCM. Now I will show you another example. $25 and 30. Yes, let us find 25 and 30. In which table do we get 25 and 30? We get it in, do we get it in 2 table? No. Do we get it in 3 table? No. So let us move on to the next number, that is 5. You will use only the prime numbers. As I have informed you before, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. It goes on like this. So, we can't use 2, we can't use 3, so we are using 5. 5 5 is 25 and 5 6 is 30. Shall I stop or you want me to continue? You can do any method. Either you can multiply all this now itself or you can continue if you want. That is, again we will use 5, 5 1s are 5 and 6 again, or 6 we will use again 1 and 1. You can continue till you get 1 here. Yes? Now you multiply all these numbers, that is 5 into 5 into 6. Yes? How much is it? 5 5 is 25, 25 6 is 150. So, LCM here is 150. Hope it is clear, children. Yes, when you are doing the HCF, you don't have to continue till you get the 1. When you want to do the LCM, you can continue till you get 1 here. Yes? If you are very thorough with the tables only, you will be able to do these sums. Okay? Let us go on to another example. Now I will show you with 3 numbers. Suppose you have got 10, 15 and 20. Yes? Let us factorize now. 10, 15 and 20. Which is the number which can divide all these numbers? Yes, of course it is 5. 5 2s is 10, 5 3s is 15 and 5 4s is 20. Shall I stop it now? No, you should not stop because 2 and 4 can be divided by 2. So we will have to continue. It's not like HCF. If it was HCF, we could have stopped here and HCF is 5. But when we have to find the LCM, when you have 3 numbers here, you should see that no number is divisible by any common number. But here we have got 2 and 4. So we'll have to continue. So we'll use 2 here. 2 ones are 2. 3 we cannot divide. So write as it is. Now write 2 2s is 4. Now if you want you can stop because no other number other than 1 can be divided by 1, 3 and 2. So we can stop, or if you want you can move till you get 1 everywhere. Now 3, 1, 1 here, again 2 here. Again now 2, 1, 1 and now let us find the LCM now. 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. So 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. Can you tell me? 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 2s is 60. So the LCM of 10, 15 and 20 is 60. I think you are getting it. Let me do another example. Yes? Children, practice all the sums at home. If you are not doing it, you will not be able to understand anything. Okay? Let us do another example. 27, 45 and 9. Yes? Now, let us take all these numbers. 27, 45 and 9. Can you tell which is the prime number which divides all these? It is not 2, it is 3. Yes? 3, 9 is 27. Now, you have a confusion. Divide if you want or close one number and see. 4. So, 3, 1 is 3. What is remaining here? 1 is remaining. Join with 5. It will become 15. So, 3 5 is 15. Now, 3 3 is 9. Is it okay? Now, you see 9, 15 and 3 here. Which table do we get all these numbers? Of course, we get it in 3 table. 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15 and 3 1 is 3. Now, if you want, you can continue till you get 1 everywhere, or you can just multiply all these numbers to get the LCM. I am going to stop here. Let us multiply all these numbers. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Should I multiply by 1? If you multiply or not, you get the same answer. So, I am not multiplying it. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 5. Multiply and get the answer. 7 5s is 35, 3 here, 5 2s are 10, plus 3, 13. So, the answer is, LCM is 135. Is it clear, children? Yes, hope it is clear now. If you have to find the LCM, you will have to factorize as usual like HCF. How we used to do HCF? The same method. If we continue, then it will become LCM. When we stop, it is HCF. Let me show you another example. Twelve 48. Let us see 12 and 48. 12, 48. As you know, we will start with 2. 2, 6 is 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s is 8. Now, you get 6 and 24. In the which table do you get? You get it in 2 table, also in 3 table. Now, we will use 3 table. 3 2s is 6 and 3 8s is 24. Now, where do you get 2 and 4? We get it in 2 tables, 2 1s and 2 4s. Now, let us find the LCM. Multiply all these numbers to get the LCM. LCM is 2 into 3 into 2 into 4. I am not multiplying 1. It is not required. So, 2 3s is 6. 6 2s is 12. 12 4s is, can you tell? 12 4s is 48. So, LCM of 12 and 48 is 48. I'll show you another example. The examples whatever I show, you do it once again in your homework book or in your rough note so that you will understand better. Now let us see 80, 85 and 90. Three numbers I am taking. Let us factorize now. 80, 85 and 90. Yes, here we can use only 5 tables because all these numbers are divisible by 5. Is it or not? Yes. We have learned the divisibility. That is why we have learned it. We use 5 here. Now close this number and see 8. How do you use? 5 ones is 5. 3 is remaining. Join with this. It has become 30. 5 6 is 30. Hope it is clear, children. Now look at this next number. Here also 5 ones is 5. 3 is remaining. It has become 35 here. So 5 sevens is 35. Now look at the next number. 5 ones is 5. What is remaining here? Here it is remaining is 4. 4, it has become 40 now. 5 eights is 40. Now, here we have got 16, 17 and 18. 17 of course it's a prime number. We cannot divide it. But we can divide 16 and 18. What number will we divide? We will divide by 2. 2 8s is 16. 17 as it is. And here 2 9s is 18. Yes, you can continue till you get 1 or we will stop here. Let us find out the LCM by multiplying all these numbers. Yes, so 5 into 2 into 8 into 17 into 9. It's a bigger number. So multiply carefully. 5 2s is 10. 10 8s is 80. Now 80 into 17. Let us multiply here. 80 into 17. What do you get? 7 zeros are 0. 7 8s are 56. And here 1 zeros are 0. 1 8s are 8. So what do we get? 0, 6 and here 1 3 6 0. We are left out with now 9 also. Let us multiply now 1 3 6 0 by 9. Let us multiply 1 3 6 0 into 9. 9 zeros are 0. 9 6 are 54. 5 carry here. 9 3s are 27. Plus 5 32. 2 3 carry. 9 1s are 9. Plus 3 is 12. So the LCM is, yes, LCM is 12240, that is 12,240. Yes, hope it is clear, children. In today's class we have learnt about LCM. Yes, we have already learnt about HCF also. So that's all for today. By this we have completed this chapter. In my next class I will be sending you the notes and we will have a test in the next week. Okay children, thank you.